Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Fiverr affiliate account. Not just any Fiverr account, right? The personal one we use for freelancing. Not that one. I'm going to teach you how to create an affiliate one. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, if you're using your laptop, your phone, any devices, for example, your tablet, rather than using your own personal computer or desktop, please stay in the video because it's literally the same process. So open up fiverr.com with any browser of your choice. If you're in this Google Chrome, please do so. And with this one, this should be the landing page of your Fiverr. Just scroll down the very bottom part. You'll see under community, there is going to be affiliates. Right? You'll be redirected on this page. And then you'll see here that boost your earnings by driving traffic to Fiverr. Promote the leading marketplace for freelance services. Get paid to drive traffic. It's that easy. So start earning now. Simply click on that one. And you'll be redirected on this sign up option. Simply sign everything up. For example, I already signed here. So just write your name, username, password, account time. So most of us or most of you guys watching are gonna choose private. If you have a company, please do so. Type in that one, but for now I'm gonna use private. What's your main source of traffic? So click on yes. So Fiverr will approve our account, and then URL for your main traffic source. Simply choose any social network you have, Instagram, Fiverr, or Facebook for any, for example, any social media that has traffic on your end. I'm just gonna choose that one. Secondary URL, you may separate URLs with comma. With this one, you can use more than one, okay? That being said, choose any country here. Of course, you can choose the one you have. I'm gonna choose Philippines, and then if you have a Skype ID, please put it right here. Click on next, and tell us a little bit of yourself. Just choose anything that applies to you. Paid search, content sites, more and more, social media. Now, if you don't have any traffic source yet, of course, choose that one. What are your audience's key interests? For example, if you're an influencer, for example, you're doing a food blog, just choose the one that's fun and lifestyle right there, or click on other and type in food. Next one, I agree to terms and conditions, register now. That's how simple it is to create a Fiverr affiliate account. And that's it. Congrats, you're a Fiverr affiliate. We're so glad to have you on board. Now that being said, click on this start doing right there. Just log into your account you created earlier, and welcome to Fiverr affiliate. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one, okay? Have a safe one.